You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting brand name of jewelry. If you want to learn more luxury brand names that confuse a lot of people, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So how do you say this name? You can actually verify how it's to be pronounced on their website. You know, that's their official website, and they explain a bit where the name comes from here. And here you have this, and that's the phonetic spelling of the brand name. So if you can read phonetics a bit, you can see that it's to be pronounced G, nose, G, nose. So you have to separate the G and the rest of the word. G, nose is how you say it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.